In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate TradingView strategies without coding. This is a new and best method that's perfect for those who want to leverage their trading strategies without diving into complex coding. We're going to break this down into easy steps, so let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Signum. This platform is where we'll be setting up our automated bot. Once you're on the Signum website, look for the Sign Up button. Click on it, and you'll need to create a new account if you don't already have one. Ensure your password is strong to keep your account secure, as you'll be linking this to your trading strategies. After you've signed up and logged in, navigate to the Create Bot section within the app. This is the core feature we'll be utilizing for our automation. By clicking on Create Bot, you'll be prompted to start setting up your trading bot. Then find the option to Select Exchange. This is where you'll choose the exchange you typically use for trading. Make sure to have your exchange account details handy to make this process seamless. Next, it's time to integrate your exchange API with Signum. You'll need to type in your API key and API secret. These are credentials that allow Signum to communicate securely with your exchange account. Be cautious with your API credentials. Ensure they're never shared publicly and only have the necessary permissions enabled for your trading purposes. With your API information entered, you'll see a Validate button. Click this to ensure that the credentials entered are correct and that the connection to your chosen exchange is successful. After validation, you'll notice new fields for alert name and message, which we'll use shortly. Now let's create an API within Signum itself, which will handle the trading commands based on your TradingView alerts. Follow the instructions on the screen to set this up properly. It's essential for managing how your bots will accept and act on the trading signals you'll generate. Once your API is created, you might need to fund your account depending on the requirements of your chosen exchange. Make sure to ensure that there's enough balance for the trades you plan to make. Now head over to TradingView. Open the chart of the asset you want to automate trading for. You'll see an alert option in TradingView. Click on it, then proceed to the message section. In this area, you'll enter the alert details that align with your strategy. Once you've set up your alert, you'll need to copy the alert name and the message content. This information should match the alert settings you found in Signum, allowing your TradingView alerts to trigger the automated actions on Signum effectively. Finally, return to your TradingView and click Create to finalize your alert setup. Congratulations! You've successfully automated your TradingView strategies without needing any coding. Now sit back and let the automation do the work, optimizing your trades with ease.